price is $15. It cost the company $14 per radio to produce 1000 and 13.5 to produce 2000 radios. How much greater will the company gross profit be from the production and the sale of 2000 radios than the production and sale of 1000 radios? So there are two scenarios that we have to see. Now let's quickly look at the first possible scenario in which we are selling 2000 radios. While selling 2000 radios, the cost is equal to 13.5 times 2000, because the question says it's $13.5 per radio to produce 2000 radios, so the total cost comes out to be 13.5 times 2000. And the total revenue while selling 2000 radios will be 15 multiplied by 2000. And the question is talking about the difference of the gross profit. So the profit is equal to revenue minus the cost, which is 15 times 2000 minus 13.5 times 2000. That becomes 2000 times 1.5. While understanding this explanation, please pay attention to several things. One of them is that I'm writing every information that I'm reading in the question simultaneously. Secondly, I'm not getting the value of each multiplication because that's not needed. To make the calculations easier, we have to understand how exactly should we proceed. So taking 2000 common makes it somewhat easier than actually multiplying them both and then taking the difference. So I see $3,000 is the gross profit while we are selling 2000 radios. Now let's quickly see what is the profit if we are selling only 1000 radios, right? Okay, then the cost is equal to 14 multiplied by 1000 and revenue is equal to $15 for 1000 pieces. So the profit, once again we have to calculate revenue minus the cost, which is 15 times 1000 minus 14 times 1000. That becomes 1 time 1000. That means $1000. Now we have to quickly see the difference. The needed difference is $3,000. That means this value minus $1,000, which is this value, which is equal to $2,000. That should be my answer, which I have as D option. So D option becomes my answer. So it's a simple word problem question in which you have to just understand the question properly. You have to interpret the correct information and then do the simple calculations that are needed. We have seen in multiple questions in this series only while solving official guide that many questions have required this understanding that the gross profit is always equal to revenue minus cost. So let's just learn to do it more comfortably in the next all the questions to come based on the same concept. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then please subscribe to the channel and keep liking the videos individually as well. Thank you so much.